Yeah. How short do you go on the sides? Do you know? Guard numbers?
I think a 2-blade.
Like down to a 2?
Yeah.
Like a 4 down to a 2. Does that sound good?
I don't know. The part that always bothers me is back here. So I like to pull it up higher, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
What's the one that gives me a square in the back?
No. Remember that picture I sent with the million X marks? Let me set your glasses somewhere for you.
Why don't you have more stuff in there?
I will. I'm gonna get well, it's on the way, but I got like a Darth Vader helmet that's gonna go. Come on, the
Like
praying
Lego?
hands with the scissors are pretty cool though. Don't look right at it.
Are those candles yours?
Yeah, I bought that at a art festival. It's a coyote skull, and it's crooked right now. I keep meaning to fix it, but
What's the sign say? Today special.
Imperial Motor Oil Kerosene Cigarettes.
Mm.
Ethan bought it at some vintage thing. A lot of people,
a lot of
people thought like it was just in the building.
I don't smoke cigarettes, but if I did, I don't think I would get kerosene cigarettes. Now you're from the South, right?
No.
I just like to know my barbers.
Okay.
So what's the philosophy of the cowboy hat?
What's the philosophy? I was actually just gonna do a bolo tie, you know, this thing. I walked in looking for a bolo tie and I asked if they had any, and she said they didn't, but then I was looking around and they had hats. And so I tried it on, and then the lady that was working there basically bullied me into buying it just by complimenting me a bunch, and that works on me. And I decided it's my new thing. So here we are.
Yeah.
And you know, I was like, I guess I kind of like gave thought to how, you know, Grandma B's from New Mexico. And I was like, you know, all the Western stuff she had at her house.
Isn't she from Oklahoma?
No, she's not from Oklahoma.
I thought she was born in Oklahoma and then grew up in New Mexico.
Maybe, I don't know, but I know that she lived in Albuquerque for
Yeah, I knew that.
most of her life. No, because I'm pretty sure she went to, I was gonna say she went to high school in New Mexico, but
Yeah, exactly. She grew up in
grew
New
up
Mexico.
there. I guess I don't know exactly where she was born.
Oklahoma.
Can I raise your sideburns up a little bit?
Yeah,
They're
I always
super long.
Yeah, I always have them come up a little bit.
Middle of the ears. Best.
Would it be good content if I screamed in pain?
Don't do it. Now I'm doing this.
Yeah, no.
Now I'm worried you're gonna do it. Okay, look down. Not that far down. Right there. You also need to do your hair more often.
How would you have me do my hair, though?
I'll show you. Can you see yourself?
Yeah.
Is that length looking
I
good?
don't have my glasses on.
Does it feel good?
I don't know.
You should be able to tell.
Hold on. I think it's a centimeter too long. Hold on. Let me check this side.
Stop it. Stop. What?
I don't know. It's the way you were looking when you did that. It was funny to me.
I'm just cutting hair and I just see your face in my peripherals. I'm not done yet. I'm just
Can I check the length real quick?
looking at it. Yeah?
With my glasses?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Do you always insult your clients?
Just you. So, Samson stuff, I just use like, you have the Samson's powder, this is the Samson's cream. I just got like a fingertip amount, and I rub it between my hands to make them look like this, okay?
Okay.
And then you just get it, keep your head still. You just get it off your hands and into your hair, like this. Doesn't really matter what it looks like as you're getting it in there, you're just getting it in there.
Okay.
And after it's mostly in, start to push it into the shape that you want. And I think that you should
Go up
come
more?
kind of over and back. Like this. Why are you smiling without teeth? You look terrified. That's your before. Joyous. This your after. Mildly content. What do you think?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks.
Do you want to leave a tip on the card, or do you just want to buy my lunch?
Buy lunch.
Huh?
Just do lunch.